So now we've got sort of the foundation with the sensors, but the real genius for autonomy takes place within this integrated platform inside this box. And there's a lot of stuff taking place in here. But if you think about this as the sort of the platform for the autonomy solution, it's doing a bunch of different things. It's taking in inputs, whether it's from GPS antennas, whether it's from the camera in front, whether it's from a LIDAR camera, a visual SLAM camera, whether it's from wheel ticks and wheel encoders. It's taking all that information in to this platform. There is a CPU within this. There is a GPU as well. That's doing all the processing and crunching of those numbers to turn that into an intelligent path for the robotic vehicle and allowing that robotic vehicle to drive along that path. So that's happening within this self-contained unit right here. So there's a lot of things. There's the inputs, there's the sensors, there's the processing, there's the fusion, there's the path generation, and the driving control. All that taking place within this single unit itself. And if you want to find out more about the platform, click on the link below or give us a call. We're happy to explain more.